Ka principal jongka Shillong College ka Dr. E Kharkangor bat ka head of department jongka Khasi ka Dr. A Nombri mata ka sngi ka santrik unailar aja apu ark la yom pelai ya ka kot ka bala aikerteng. The Khasi states a brief historical timeline 1771-2017. Balat ho do ba F Kharshi yeng bat u Dr. Bodhi S Rani. La yon pelai ya kani ka kot haringkat ka jingat relang bat ka department jongka Khasi ha Shillong College. U Dr. F. Karshiying ulaong baka ni kakot kan ajing mentoy namar baka donya ka history jong ka jala.
Since the publication of the earlier books, we've got very important feedback, some historical, some empirical, and some theoretical and praiseworthy, some extremely critical. People also be critical of the book, and some downright rejection. There's been some who have also rejected the book. Notwithstanding the same, we firmly believe that we must keep up with our efforts and persist with our writings to document the history of the Khasi community as it persists in time, place, space, and person. We are finding that our attempt has not and will not go waste, especially in the light of current challenges that the community faces as regards control over its land, water, mineral resources, forest, indigenous institutions, and the overall will to have a political grip over its own destiny. We hope to further enrich the text as we collect more data in the future. To this end, we seek the contribution of the reader. We look forward to your reading through this timeline and provide us any feedback so that the second edition can be brought out as soon as more substance is accumulated. We have restricted our documentation only to those events related to the Khasi Himas.